Hey there, friends. I just got off of a coaching call with one of the members of the Fully Booked Business Club, which is one of my coaching programs. And she just had her first $4,000 month offering a specialty service, and she just started her business a couple months ago. So in today's video, I am going to break down exactly how she did it, how much she's charging, the services that she's offering, and why she has grown so quickly. So make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to break it all down for you. Okay, friends, if you are new to my channel, I'm Kelly Schaefer. I am the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help people market more successfully so that they can make more money and have a greater impact in their local community. So I help people who have local businesses. All right, let's dive in. So this particular client worked with me briefly in a 4-week quick start. And then that was back in January. And when she first started, we went through her business. And so you're going to want to write these things down for yourself. You want to know who you're helping, what you're helping with. Okay, so the who is your niche, the what is the services that you're offering, and then the how is basically like how people can hire you and how you're charging. And so when we did Quick Start together, she had some ideas of she really wanted to offer senior services, but she wanted to focus on tech services, things like cell phones and TVs and computers. And then there was even a super specific service that she wanted to offer in those tech services. And I'm going to give that to you in a minute. But when she first came, she was a little nervous and she was like, I don't know if I should just offer tech or a companionship. And that's what happens with a lot of people. They come in and they're like, but I can do all the things. And I really, really encouraged her to lean into the specificity of what she's going to offer. And for her, it was these tech services. Now, that was back in January. In April, she enrolled in our Fully Booked Business Club. And now, as the recording of this, it's the end of July, and she just had her first $4,000 month. So how did she do it? So when we were reviewing everything, I said, all right, how many hours a week are you booking? She said, I am billing currently 25 hours a week. Great. How much are you charging per hour? $40 an hour with a 1-hour minimum and then charging in 15-minute increments over that. Great. Then I said, where are the current clients that you have? Where have they been coming from? And she said to me, word of mouth, word of mouth, word of mouth, which is what some people think, that it's all word of mouth. So then I had to back her up a little bit and I said, okay, so when we look at the word of mouth, where did the word of mouth come from specifically? And she told me current clients, the sales manager at an apartment building that she is part of, and a mastermind group that she joined locally. I said, okay. Then I said, let's get down even nitty grittier. Where did the current clients come from? She said, from the 55 and over active community that she lives in and is part of, because she was able to do a presentation at the 55 and over community through the activities director. So that's exactly how she did it. So why did it work so well? This is what I want you to really get for yourselves, why it worked so well. So if we go back, she's billing 25 hours a week. She's charging $40 an hour. That's why she's had $1,000 a week for the past 4 weeks, and she's had her first $4,000 month. So here is why it worked so well. And again, I really want you guys to get this for yourselves. Number one, she had really simple pricing. $40 an hour, and then bills in 15-minute increments on top of that. Her minimum is $40 an hour. So if it takes her 30 minutes to fix something on somebody's cell phone, it's $40. If it takes her an hour and a half, it's $40 and then $40 an hour for that 30 minutes. So that would be $60. Simple pricing. She even asked me, I'm confused about how to bring in packages now. And I asked her, what you're doing is working with the hourly rate that you're selling. And she likes the schedule and the clients that she's taking in. So I gave her permission not to change anything. Sometimes when things are working in your business, you accidentally think you need to change them. But when they're working, they're working. You don't have to change it. So her pricing is simple. Her who is simple. She helps active older adults. She even said that the majority of the people in her small town are 75 and over. That is who she's helping. It's a simple who. She's helping older adults with what? Technology. Where this would have gotten more confusing, and the reason why it works so fast and the word of mouth is spreading so fast, is because she's not saying, I am offering tech services for everybody. She's saying, I am helping older active adults with technology services, things like cell phones, TV hookups, computers. And here is the ninja thing that she figured out that I didn't even think about, that when she shared it with me, I was like, of course, of course, of course, of course. So many people in the aging population, healthcare has gone so far online. So much healthcare now is logging into portals. And a lot of the aging population don't know how to activate it. They don't know how to get in. They don't understand two-step authentication. Think about how frustrating it is for you, and think about the impact that she is having helping these people actually even access their own medical records, right? So this is why it has worked so well. Simple pricing, simple who, and simple services. Now, I want to go back in time a little bit, because when she first started back in January, she started marketing where she was doing tech and companionship. And I was like, no, 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 just lean into the tech. That's what you want to do. Just lean into it. I want to give you permission to do that. But she, like many other people, are like, I don't know if that's going to be enough. I don't know if I can make enough money just offering this one thing. And if you hear me talk about it, try to find something that's super specific, because then what happens is you become known for something. She is now already known for the woman to call for tech stuff, right? So now here's what we're doing next. So if you followed this long in the video, congratulations, because now I'm going to tell you what I told her to do to double down on her marketing. I told her, reach out to communities, community organizations, her library. She also mentioned her church group, and offer to do 1 hour free workshops where people can come and meet the expert, which will be my client. Her and I, we're going to do a video in the future, so you get to meet her in person. But this way, she gets to go, she gets to provide value to people in the community, and they get to meet her as the expert. What did she not do, friends? She doesn't have social media presence. She doesn't have a website yet. She's building one, but as you can see, she doesn't need one to get clients because of the simplicity of her business model. So, what is your biggest takeaway from this video? I would love to know, me sharing this with you, what maybe change or shift are you going to make in your business so that you can have such a quantum leap? Now, she just started her business, okay? Just started in January with the thinking about it phase, got a little bit confused, helped her zero in. In April, she went all in April on just the tech services. And what did I tell her to do? Go out, meet people, tell everybody what it is that you're doing. You have a simple offer, you have a simple service, and look how quick it has grown. So I would love to know from you, what is your big takeaway? So if you found this video helpful, where I'm breaking down some of the results some of the members inside my community are getting, let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking for feedback and questions from all of you. That helps me know what and how to best come on here and constantly cranking out content that is valuable for you, my listener, watcher, and perhaps reader. All right, friends, until next time, I hope this was truly eye opening and inspiring for you. Bye for now.